Hopefully you've had a chance by now to at least attempt a solution to drawing the three shapes using Python Turtle. Now your solution should look a little somewhat like this. May not be on the same sort of scale. Your shapes may look a little bit bigger, there might be a bit more space between them, but certainly you should have three shapes: an octagon, a square, and a triangle. So the first thing we needed to do was we needed to import the turtle module into our current program. Then we had to create a new Tim the Turtle, a turtle object. Remember, Tim the Turtle was effectively a pen and that was able to draw the shapes on the console board. So the first thing I did was instruct the turtle or the pen to, I guess, put itself down on paper. And then using a loop, a for loop, and remember a for loop will run a specified number of times, and the number of times is specified by the number inside the brackets. And then I've said for Tim to move forward 50 and turn at an angle clockwise of 90 degrees. So that particular set of instructions was to be repeated 4 times. And that gives us the 4 sides. So Tim starts here, 50, 90 degrees, 50, 90 degrees, 50, 90 degrees, 50, and 90 degrees. And that's him facing this direction. Then you'll notice that there's a couple of other commands in here. There's pen, Tim, pen up. So I'm lifting the pen. I don't want the shapes to be conjoined. So I want to lift the pen up and I'm going to move the pen forward 100 pixels. And then I'm going to put the pen down and then start the next loop. And the next loop is going to repeat 3 times because there are 3 sides to it in a triangle. And I'm going to move forward 50 pixels, and then I'm going to turn clockwise at an angle of 120 degrees. So that is this angle here. And remember, it's the angle from the straight line. So it's 120 degrees. And that's the exterior angle of a triangle. And we know if you hopefully if you've done shapes in MAS, you will know that an equilateral triangle has all the sides and the angles, interior angles are all the same. So each angle in a equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. They add up to 180. So if that's 60 degrees, then that is 120. So Tim moves forward 50, then turns right or clockwise at an angle of 120 degrees. He does that 3 times, and that's him back to here. And then he's still facing this direction. So I'm now going to lift the pen up, and then I'm moving back 200, which gets us to here. And then I'm going to put the pen down and then start the next loop. And the next loop is a loop which will draw an octagon. An octagon, if you remember, has 8 sides, and it's a regular octagon. So all the sides are the same length, and all the interior angles are the same as well, and exterior angles. And if you remember from the last video, we know that each exterior angle on an octagon, a regular octagon, is 45 degrees. That's 45 degrees to a straight line. And we know that because the sum of the angles in an octagon add up to 1080. And we divide 1080 by 8, and we get 135. And we subtract 135 from 180, and we get 45. Now, don't worry about the MAS. The MAS is something that if you haven't done it in your MAS class, you will shortly. So Tim will move forward 30 pixels. Now you might have to play about with the sizes, because sometimes you get the shapes, especially the octagon will overlap the square, so you can play about with that. But I worked it out about roughly about 30, anywhere between 30 and 50 should be okay. So two commands work together. Tim moves forward 30, and then he turns clockwise at an angle of 45 degrees 8 times, and that gets your three shapes. So let's just see that running. That's the first for loop, that's the second for loop, and then that's the third for loop. Okay, any questions or any queries, then put them in the comments.